Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing great. Today we are going to talk about something very important for your English board exam. Extract based questions. Many students lose marks here not because they don't understand the chapter but because they don't follow the right strategy. So in this video I'll give you a complete step by step strategy to solve extract based questions confidently and score full marks. Hello everyone, this is Bhumika and welcome back to my channel with Bhumi. I share class 10 study tips on this channel and something else, other things that I feel worth sharing with the world. So let's begin. For the first point, I would say focus on the tone from basic to डीप अंडरस्टैंडिंग सी मतलब कि कभी कभी ऐसे क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं कि ये लाइन दे दी इसमें टोन क्या है या फिर सिंपली इस पैसेज में टोन क्या है या फिर इस से क्या पता चलता है कि ये इसके बारे में मतलब कि इसके उसकी तरफ इंटेंशंस क्या हैं दूसरे अगर डायलॉग वगैरह जैसे कि द प्रपोजल या फिर द बुक दैट सेव्ड द अर्थ है तो so whenever you read an extract don't just read the words feel the emotion also behind it. Just do the popular and the basic tones. These are only asked in board exams. This is not your MA English paper. So start with happy, sad, angry, confused. You can use melancholy for sad and like this upgraded versions of vocabularies. But don't stop there. Go deeper into advanced tones as well because there are some tones that are in the specific chapters. For example, nostalgic in the Baker from Goa, hopeful, sarcastic, reflective in the necklace, critical. For example, if a poem like the ball poem talks about childhood memories, the tone may not just be happy, it could be nostalgic as well. So, feeling the emotions behind the sentences is one habit that can help you answer tone based questions easily that other students may feel, oh, ये तो out of syllabus है. Okay, now for the second point, I would say know what is the poet trying to say. Go beyond the surface. Look for implied meanings, implied inferences. Let me tell you honestly, this is where most students struggle. In poems, especially, the meaning is often hidden between the two lines. It is not explicit, it is implicit. So instead of reading only what is written, try to understand the theme, try to understand the idea behind the words, try to understand the theme and the message. For poems, this is extremely important. Please do not ignore. You should know line by line meaning of poems, especially the central idea of the poem. And this poetic devices. What is the poem without this? The basic poetic devices like metaphor, simile, personification, symbolism, because extract based questions can come from any part of the poem, even a little small line, even a word. Because, see, I have an example for you. There is a poem named Amanda. In that poem, I came across a question in sample paper like, what does the repetition of the word Amanda indicate in the poem? Or something to prove like that. So, that type of questions can arise from only a word, Amanda. Amanda was just an addressing someone. Still a question still a question was made. So your preparation should be know everything about the poem, not just the summary. Third, practice previous year questions. This is the most important part because these questions are almost every year repeated. So why to waste your time practicing and doing blah blah the world says and worldly things and all. Solve as many previous year extract based questions as possible. Why? Because patterns repeat. You will notice in your exam that certain types of tone questions come again and again. Similar message questions are asked. Important lines are frequently used. So, while practicing, first try solving on your own. Do not look at the answers. After doing, then check the answers. Understand why your answer was right or wrong. This is the most important part. Analyzing the paper is way more important than doing the paper itself. This will improve both your accuracy and confidence. Okay, now coming to the fourth point, smart reading strategy during exam. Now let's talk about what you should do inside the exam hall. अभी के लिए घर पे तो सब बताते हैं, but inside the exam hall, the main place that decides your board exam marks that will be in your mark sheet forever. So whenever you come to an extract based questions, read it slowly and carefully. Underline or mentally note that these are the important words, and I have seen these questions in sample papers before even looking at the questions. Identify the tone, theme, and keywords as asked, but if not asked, do not try to figure that out. Then read the questions. Important tip is that don't rush. Most mistakes happen due to hurry and urgency. Okay, now coming to the fifth point, elimination method. This is my personal favorite trick. If you're confused between options, use the elimination method, because most of the extract based questions are MCQs, I think. Remove the options that you are sure about that ये तो पक्का गलत है. Focus on the ones that match the tone and meaning. Choose the most accurate answer, not just a close one. CBSE demands accuracy, and this itself increases the accuracy of your marks. So let's quickly revise the strategy. Understand tones deeply. Second, focus on the poet's message and hidden meaning. Prepare poems in full detail, not just on the surface. Practice PYQs regularly. Use smart reading and elimination techniques. If you follow these steps, extract based questions will become one of the easiest parts of your paper. I say this in every video at the end, but it really does. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep practicing, and remember that your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. So please do not procrastinate and start studying right now, the very moment. So that was pretty much for this video. Signing off. This is Vidbhumi. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Vidbhumi for more such study tips that are exclusive. Thank you and good luck for all you have ahead. Bye.